Good afternoon, student. Today I am going to discuss about the real numbers. So, what is actually the real numbers? Real numbers constitute the union of all rational and irrational numbers. It can be plotted on your number line. Now come to fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Okay. Now the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. So what is this theorem? First you know what is prime factorization. Prime factorization. It is one of the method to expressing the natural number in terms of your prime factor. It is a method for expressing the natural number, given natural number in terms of prime factor. Okay. One you have to add here. It is the method of expressing the factorization of given natural number in terms of prime factor. So take one example. 36. So what is the factor of 36? 2, it is 18, 2 is 9, 3 and 3. Okay. So the factors are 2 into 2, 3 into 3. So the factors of 36, the prime factors 2 and 3. Now come to your fundamental theorem of arithmetic. So what is actually fundamental theorem of arithmetic? Look here. So now we discuss about the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. So what is this theorem? Look here. It states that the prime factorizations of a given number is unique if the arrangements of the prime factors ignored. Okay. So take one example here. 36. You know that the prime factors are 2, 2 and 3 and 3. It is one arrangement. Other arrangement of 36 is, look here, 2, 3, 2, 3. So, if you ignore the arrangement of the prime factors, the prime factors of the given number is unique. So, this is the example of a fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Again, I will tell you, it states that the prime factorizations of a given numbers is unique if the arrangements of prime factors ignored. Okay. Now the method of finding LCM. So how to determine LCM? Look here. Take one example. Find the LCM of, suppose you are 36 and 56. Okay. So it expressed in terms of prime factor 36, 2 into 2, 3 into 3. 56, it is your 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Then what is the LCM of this? Okay. Now the common prime factor two into 2. Uncommon prime factor. One is your 3 into 3 and 2 into 7. So what is the LCM of this number? LCM is equal to 2 into 2, 3 into 3, into 2 into 7. So this is the LCM of 36 and 56. Okay. Now the method of finding SCF. Hash common factors. Take one example. How to determine the SCF of two numbers. Take example 24 and 36. First express this number in terms of your prime factor. 24, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, 36, 2 into 2, 3 into 3. Here we find out the common prime factor in both cases. 2 into 2, here is 3. Okay. So SCF of the number 24 and 36, 2 into 2 into 3. That is your 12. In this way, finding out SCF. Product of two numbers is equal to the SCF and LCM. Product of two numbers. Then you take A and B equal to the product of SCF and LCM. Okay. So here A and B are two positive integers, and A and B is equal to the product of SCF into LCM. Take examples. Your 36 and 56. First write down the prime factor. Okay. In 36, you know that it is 2 into 2, 3 into 3. In 56, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. So here the SCF is the common prime factor is 2, 2. So 2 into 2, that is your 4. LCM 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 2 into 7 is equal to maybe your 504. Now 36 into 56. This give you 2016. Similarly, 4 into 504 is also give you 2016. Okay. So here the product of two numbers equal to 4 into 505. 504, that is not 5. Take one example to determine the SCF and LCM of the numbers that you 6, 72 and 120. Okay. First express this number in terms of prime factor by using prime factorization method. 6 is 2 into 3, 72, that is your 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3. Now 120 is 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into your 5. So that is 2. 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. Into 3, 24 into 5. Okay. Here the power of 2 is 1 into 3 power 1. It is a power of 2 is 3, 3 power is 2. Here the power of 2 is 3 and 3 power is 1 and 5 power is 1. Now how to find out the SCF? Look here. Highest common factor, that is, we take the common factors of the three numbers. Already on the 2 is present in every numbers. So you take 2. Now 3. Okay. So 6 is your highest common factors. Now how to determine the LCM of the three numbers 6, 72 and 120. LCM. To take the highest power of the prime factor of the three numbers. Look here, for 2, the high power is 2 power 3. For 3, the high power is 3 power 2. And for 5, the high power is only 5. Okay. It is 8, it is 9 into 5. That is equal to 360. So LCM of the three numbers is 360.